Welcome back to the Brighton and Hove Albion show. Not quite, but close. I'm Doug, shaving down under. It's Tuesday. Didn't get a chance to shave yesterday, so I've got at least a 4-day growth going on here. Just show you what soap I'm going with. And this is from another Zaharoff. And it's business over pleasure, or pleasure over business, depends which way you read it. And this is really nice stuff. Got the splash. And we've got the perfume. Now I wore this yesterday at work and it got complimented by a couple of female customers who could smell it on me and asked about it. Projects a bit better than I thought. But anyway, this is not the main player of the show today. Oh, hang on a sec. These two are. So, first glance you're thinking Gillette. No, it's not. Some of you got it straight away. It's a I think it's pronounced Wizamet razor. Go on there, you might see that W logo there. And some iridium or super iridium extra stainless blades with the W there again, Wizamet. Now, I was when I bought this razor thinking, I'm sure I've got a pack of matching blades, and I thought I was going crazy this afternoon hunting around for them, but I couldn't find them, but finally they bobbed up. So, how it works is there's a dial there, adjustable dial, and you open it from this collar here. It's about a quarter of a way down the handle. So I'm going to start it on 5 because I have no idea what these blades are like or what the blade gap is on this razor. And I'm pretty sure these are vintage and they were new old stock because I'm about to make them into current stock. So there's the paper. I'm pretty sure this razor and these blades have something of a cult following. I don't know too much about them, but today we are going to find out. Oops. And it looks all even to my eyes without my glasses on. Let's get into the shave. It's quite a weighty razor. I would say it is heavier to a similar Gillette. Actually, we have the Slim, and I'd say this is heavier than the Slim. Let's get into the shave. Hope you all had a good weekend. I certainly did. The three amigos, myself, Peter and Rod, Brighton fans, rolled into the casino at 1:30 a.m. to watch the game. And they wouldn't put it on one of the bigger screens for whatever reason. reason, although there was 3 Brighton supporters there were no Wolves supporters that we know of. There was Man City fans there, so they got 2 big screens. Maybe the duty manager at the bar was a Manchester City supporter. Anyway, we watched our game on the smaller screen. Got off to a flying start. And then they went 2-1 up. And then just before half time we went 2-2, and just near the end of the game we went 3-2. So what I do now with Brighton games is have a bit of a flutter. On anytime goal scorer. It's mainly just a bit of fun that I do it. So I usually pick out 4 players, put $5 each on them. This week I picked out 5, and 2 of the 3 goal scorers. So nice, tidy little profit. So far, the number 5 setting is working well. I'd say it's a little bit more aggressive than, say, the slim on number 5. Technically, of course, I could be wrong, but just from going by feeling and the blade feel, it feels that way. So it's safe to say the warm weather has finally arrived here in South Australia, in Adelaide. I think it can go without any doubt that we've had an extended winter. The first 2 months of spring here were just still wet and cold. It's only been the last couple of days that the warmth is starting to set in. I think it's supposed to be 33 today, 34 tomorrow, something like that. The thing I like about summer is nighttime. And if you're staying at home, just eating outside, just out in the backyard, under the veranda, or pergola, whatever you like to call it. That's what I like about summer. One thing about Gentleman Nod shaving soaps, they're fantastic. They're very creamy, very cushioning, and leaves a lot of slickness. That's why I'm a big fan of theirs. I have missed a couple of their limited releases, unfortunately. The Tobacco is the big one, Zaharoff Tobacco. That one slipped through the keeper. As you can see, quite a good shave. Hopefully I haven't talked too soon. BBS, just magnificent. I can't fault this. Number 5 was, I found that a very agreeable setting for my skin. It mowed down everything. It's, as I said, it's probably a little bit toothier than, maybe it's around a 6 on a slim. nice weight, just felt good to shave with. Although you sort of are holding it up here, you wouldn't want to be holding down here, I don't think. The balance point there is around here. The blade, what can I say? The blade performed really well. I don't believe I had any nicks. If I did, that was just minor and gone. I can't fault this. This is a good razor. Don't show up too often. But then again, in saying that, I don't go looking for them either. So I think I looked for this and found it and bought it. And I've been hanging on to it for ages now. I don't know how long I've had it for. And the time was right. Yeah, and the blade itself, maybe I need to keep an eye out for a few more of these, because I had a nice shave, a really nice shave with that blade. And God knows how much they're worth. If they're, I know I've seen some packs of Wizamet razors, packs of tucks, and people have wanted big money for them. Whether they're just trying to go for gold or not, I don't know. So, yeah, keep your eyes out. If you don't mind trying out vintage blades, definitely keep your eye out for a pack of these. Or something similar, Wizamet. I do believe, yep, these were made in Poland. And I don't know where the razor was made. Maybe that was made in Poland as well. I don't know. There's just a W11 underneath the base plate. But keep your eyes out for those people. If you're, yeah, I recommend both highly. Splash time. So this scent is just pure summer scent. Of course you can wear these any time of year, you know. These are just basic rules. That's just, I'll put in a description, the scent profile. I just didn't get time, or just didn't think about putting in a scent profile before I started the shave. Oh, it's fucking, did I swear? My God, it's effing nice. Really good stuff. If you want a really good date night summer perfume and scent, I don't know if you can still buy the soap. You'll have to go to the Gentleman's Nod website and go into the, up the top, there's a Zaharoff tab. Click on that and then scroll down. I'm not sure if there's any more of the soap and splash left. Man, I'm not even sure if there's any more of this left. Definitely not on the Gentleman's Nod site. And I'll put, there's a, I think in America it's completely sold out, but I know in Australia there's an Australian site for all you Aussies out there that might be interested that does sell Zaharoff, and sometimes when stuff's sold out in the Northern Hemisphere, they've still got a few bottles left. So I'll have a look for that for you as well. Okay, I'll go. Another unboxing tomorrow night. Hope you enjoy that. Hope you've enjoyed the shave. And I hope you have a great week, and we'll catch you real soon. I've got some news going up. I'm going for a new job, and it's not got nothing to do with porn or wine or alcohol. Could be interesting. Anyway, I'll talk to you all soon. Take care. Enjoy your week. Ciao for now.